Kakong Yaman MCM ka chairperson jong Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Kalaong bahkan ni ka jok bobon kam bon sien ki meki pa ki tu no ya ka por īalehkai ka badai hok jong ki khynnah. Da ka ba ai de ki mobile phone kum ka nuksa bakin om penjak lea ya ka yeng ka sam. Ya kani kala pun sngau ka jing alang ya merjimot bat ki noi alam snong ki noi alam jong ki kunhon halor ka phang ban pen khlan ya ka jing da bat ban ya kran ya ki mat ki bakta ya ki khynnah. Ya kini kejing helang la perlong da ka commission ha ka jia try lang bat ka Faith Foundation bat ka child friendly Shillong jong ka Bosco Integrated Development Society ha ka khat sau tarik unai luar arja arpulai ha Shillong Club Main Hall.
Kini kedeka por palale kinman pai kejing īalehkai. Play is the right of a child to dream, to be creative. Kita khynnah kia pun no, you want to school, you like tuition, khamtam, and then you teach her, macam ni sudah kai dia. No wonder kita sang mobile. We have stolen their space to play, and play is the right of the child. United Nations United Nations Rights of the Child Convention and the rights to, but kita mention ni kan dia. The importance of play itu abang Malaysian. I dare to say that, because and yet they still have that playful thing. He backs the head, kata ki jump around, kata ki nak mari play. You can't keep that spirit down. Masih jauh matin tengah nak pergi kena red. Ila, you killing that record, khamtam. The lekai yang pergi kuat ben, you know, my sister-in-law, she on pok ke kamera shongkai ke pra baik tuan macam ni ke shim kiksai lekai ke, you know, with their hands in play but khamtam terlain. Mengi bagi mana tengok sorry to say, no khamtam the one ki long kene, ila mana ke ye. Kishpai dia pencak dia, kishpai dia pen praye. So what? Your children we will have only once more. They'll soon grow up. And when we've stolen their ability to create, even shower, now, this is important. Take your mobile, I want to say something. Qua patient, your soul, your bam, udon share, there. The people shaman simple share, the shada, no? The soul. Also, what you do, you don't part on interact, you will do that later, but then I just want to say this. The best way to take that bone from the dog is when I use shikeji, the dog. What would you share, like you're addicted to that, there, will share like the dog. So, what do we do for our children? Ni addicted to that, this is the khamtam, blah blah. Young khamtam, Henry, what are we giving them as an alternative? Good alternatives. A chance to play, to dream, to be creative, to participate. In sepa itu, ya I ada better alternative. Gimana ban ini psychological is such, no? Gimana ban cukup clear itu. But give them something more. Aki school jom, kumhayen. You know, from the society, from the government, we have to create these spaces. So we fight in the commission in Peshakat Arena and fight for these green spaces, these parks, khynnah, īalehkai, no? Khynnah, kilaban, clap for a while. Ya kata addiction jom, kiba dan no, we have to give them something.
Hakani kasngi la wan ru banya don lang daga kong CD lingwa ka director jang katanat social welfare kum ka kong san hakani ka program na lor kiway pat.
There was a prophet and he saw the breakdown of society and communities, and he was to speak the words of God. See, when you say prophet, and he spoke this and he said the words of the Lord, my people are destroyed for a lack of knowledge. Why are you sitting here? It's because you are to come for a workshop and we will sensitize. Rabindranath Tagore, the poet laureate, he wrote, every time a child comes into the world, he comes with the idea, with the hope that God says, I'm not yet done with man. God still loves us. With all the evil around us, with all the floods in Libya, with all the earthquake in Morocco, with all the problems that we have here in Meghalaya, you won't imagine the cases that we have here in Meghalaya. Abuse, domestic violence, killing, a father killing his child in Nongrat, that also in our own society. With those cases, God has not yet given up on man. We still have hope. And children are very close to the heart of God.